Tonight, local law enforcement is mourning the death of an Ohio officer who died while putting out stop sticks.
Local 12's Courtney Wheaton spoke to experts about the controversial methods police use to stop suspects and tells us how area departments are handling them. Courtney?
Well, Adam, each department seems to have a different policy involving stop sticks. The experts I talked to today say they're an important part of safety tools for catching criminals, but they have to consider the potential risk involved.
The death of 42-year-old Bluffton officer Dominic Francis rocked members of law enforcement. He was deploying stop sticks when he was hit by a driver leading nearby troopers on a pursuit Thursday morning.
It's extremely sad. It's just, I think it highlights again the risk involved for law enforcement officers whenever somebody decides to flee the police.
Steve Meacham is a former NY state trooper and professor of criminal justice. He says stop sticks are an important tool, but says when to use them is a tough decision.
It happens very quickly. There's sometimes a change of routes, and sometimes you had very little notice when a vehicle might be approaching your location.
2 years ago, Springdale officer Kaya Grant lost her life attempting to throw out stop sticks. The department now gives officers discretions on when to use them.
I think the use of them is under a bit of a microscope now and could be changing. There are departments that don't use them at all. There's departments that have changed their minds about them, and there's departments that are hanging on and still using them.
FOP President Dan Hill says Cincinnati police still use them, but mostly for pursuits involving felons.
I think it needs to be examined more and more about when they're used, and always with more and more training and with safety as the top priority.
And we also spoke with leaders in the Mount Healthy Police Department who share their condolences with the family of Officer Francis. The department no longer allows officers to deploy stop sticks on motorcycles on interstates or highways, and officers must be behind cover. They also have to notify dispatch when they're using them. Adam?
Courtney, thank you. Between 2009 and 2021, a total of 22 officers died in the United States deploying stop sticks.